Hi guys, it's Mansi here. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing great. So in today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys some skincare products under rupees 200. So yeah, these products are going to be really affordable, but at the same time, every product which I've included in this video is of good quality and they actually work. So yeah, without wasting much of your time, let's get started. So the first product which I have is a face wash from Himalaya. It's their Fresh Start Oil Clear Face Wash Strawberry. So this product is really good. It cleanses the skin very nicely and removes all the dirt and impurities. It also has a very cute packaging, as you can see, and it's also very refreshing. You get this for rupees 75 for 50 ml, so you can definitely try it out. So the next product which I have is this scrub from Nivea. It's their skin refining scrub for normal skin. This product has fine grains, so it feels very gentle on the skin. It removes all the dead skin cells and makes the skin very soft and smooth. This product also feels very refreshing and it cleanses the skin very nicely. So it's an effective product, so you can try it out. So the next product which I have is a toner from Biotique. It's their Cucumber Pore Tightening Toner with Himalayan waters for normal to oily skin. This product gives a very clean look to your face. It's very refreshing, reduces the size of your pores, and it's very good for oily skin people. It removes all the dirt and impurities from the face. This bottle is going to last you for quite a long time, so you can definitely get it. So the next product which I have is this aloe vera gel from Patanjali. So aloe vera gel in general also is very good for the skin. This product prevents pimples and it also moisturizes the skin very nicely and improves the skin texture. It heals sunburns, so it's very good for summer too, so you can definitely try it out. So the next product which I have is a moisturizer from Nivea. It's their Nivea Soft Light Moisturizer with vitamin E. This product moisturizes your skin very nicely and makes it really soft and smooth. I love its consistency and it also has a very pleasant smell. It feels very light on the skin and would be perfect for normal to dry skin people. So yeah, you can definitely try it out. So the next product which I have is a lip balm from Neutrogena. It's their lip moisturizer. It's such a gorgeous product, makes your lips really soft and smooth. And the best part about this lip balm is that it has SPF 15. It stays for quite a long time and also hydrates the lips very nicely. So the next product which I have is a sunscreen from Neutrogena. It's their Ultra Sheer Dry Touch Sunblock with SPF 50. This sunscreen feels very light on the skin and is not at all greasy. It gets quickly absorbed into the skin. It's non-comedogenic, and unlike some of the sunscreens which are available in the market, it doesn't leave white cast. So yeah, you can definitely try it out. So the next product which I have is this face pack from Patanjali. It's their Multani Mitti face pack. This product has a very smooth texture. It comes in a very simple tube-like packaging. It controls oils and cleanses the skin very nicely. It also makes your skin look very fresh, so you can definitely try it out. So I also like to apply sheet masks. You just need to keep them for 15 minutes and they give you such a soft, plumpy looking skin. Most of the sheet masks, they retail for 100 rupees. They hydrate the skin very nicely. So I'll make sure to link down some of my favorite sheet masks in the description box below. So all this for today. I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, make sure you subscribe to my channel guys. It's free, but it really means a lot to me. Hit a big fat thumbs up, comment down below your reviews and your suggestions. I'll see you guys super soon. Till then, take care and bye-bye.